Triangles. These fantastic beasts come in many different shapes and sizes. Come along with me, Professor V, as we explore these mysterious creatures. Triangles. Triangles. First discovered by great mathematician Mathis G. Rate in 1969, triangles have been living in harmony with humans for millions of years. One of Rate's students, a Greek named Pythagoras, took Rate's ideas and expanded on them, creating this complex proof. Now, it may look simple, but it is definitely for our more advanced viewers because it contains a complex number. Let's do it! A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Now, these letters correspond to each side of the triangle, like so. Now, we can prove that these are the sides of the triangle by simply filling in a squared and b squared and seeing if our c is correct. Now, I is the square root of -1. If we square that and take 1, which is 1 squared, we get that c is equal to 0. Let's check my work. Proved. If we model this triangle in the 3D space, it looks like this. Now, this is only the line in the 3D space. There's also areas in the complex plane, which we can't see with cameras or our eyes. We can further understand these creatures if we further understand pi. To help with this, I have constructed another proof to help understand the creature's energy source. A triangle's main food source consists of pies. Each triangle has to be 1 pi at a time to be healthy. This here is a pi. Now, we can convert pi to pi using a simple substitution. E can be approximated to be 2. Therefore, 1 pi equals 2 pi, as we can see. Let's check our work. "100% correct. We'll start with the assumption that sine theta equals theta for small angles. Now, whatever we do to one side, we have to do for both sides. So, we're going to integrate both sides from 0 to pi. Now, nothing dodgy is going on here, because we're doing the same thing to each side, and that's totally allowed for all equations. So, integrating. Did I integrate that right? So now, if we evaluate each side, we get that equals pi squared over 2, wait a second, minus 0. So, then we get 0 equals pi squared over 2. Therefore, pi equals 0. What? It looks like all our work checks out. Wow! This has been another episode. Tune in next week when we talk about another topic. Totally proved!